Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.